Welcome! The Eldorado SELPAs are proud to support our partners with tools and resources that make your work easier and more effective. This video is part of our ongoing effort to provide clear guidance and training on key topics in special education. To explore additional learning opportunities, scan the QR code at the bottom of your screen to browse our professional learning catalog. Let's get started.
Go to Administration from the navigation bar and select Manage Users. Click the Add a New User button. Enter the user's last and first name. Create a username. Best practice is to use the user's first initial and last name. If the username you are trying to create is available, the word Available appears in green to the right of the username box. If the username is in use, the words Not Available appear in red. You will need to select another username. Create a password for the account. The user can change it once they access the account. Confirm the password a second time. If the two password entries do not match, clear the password box content and try again. Best practice is to note the username and password when creating the record so you can share this information with the user. Enter the personal title, phone, and email address. Select District User Level from the drop-down. Select District User Type from the drop-down. Answer the question, will this user be providing direct services to students? If yes, you must also select a provider type and create a provider level account. Scroll to the user permissions and select the permissions for the user. LEAs must determine who completes which task. There are a few permissions that should be used with caution. Create CalPADS transactions and edit CalPADS transactions. Only district level users that are responsible for reviewing SPED data or CalPADS transactions should have this permission. SELPA does not recommend assigning these permissions. Delete CalPADS transactions. Edit CDS conversion. Manage school, district info. Permanently delete students. Once permissions are selected, click the green Save button.
Thank you for spending time with us today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss further updates, tutorials, or trainings. On behalf of the Eldorado SELPAs, thank you for your continued partnership and for the work you do to support students with disabilities every day.